Guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Angie and I hope you stick around and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, I miss you guys so much and I'm glad to be back with a video back to back, you know. So today I am bringing a video about what I did for my hair loss. My hair loss was triggered by my postpartum phase, if you know what I mean. So after giving birth, I experienced, well, not after giving birth, I'm wilding. It was like 3-4 months later and I was kind of shocked that it took that long. Like I wasn't ready, you know. So this was triggered by, you know, having a child. So I pretty much took a picture of when it happens, which I will be inserting now. That was a picture 3 months after I gave birth to Lexi. So she was 3 months old, 3 to 4 months at that point. So that was how much hair I was losing. That was creepy. So that was how much hair I was losing, and it was happening to me all throughout like my hairline. So that picture was literally this spot right here, like around my hairline. Same thing was happening on this side, all around here. But yeah, so let me tell you guys what I used to get better and to grow my hair out again and stuff like that. But that's what it's gonna be about, so stick around. Hopefully this helps. I think this should help for whatever, I mean not whatever, but I think this will help for certain cases, so I hope it helps. And everything in this video is actually like affordable. You can find all of this at Target for sure, yeah, because that's where I got most of the stuff. So if you're interested, keep watching. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright guys, so let's start with what I would shampoo my hair with. So pretty much today is the second day. I washed my hair yesterday morning and then did it yesterday, and then today it's after it's like settled and stuff. So what I use to wash my hair is this, which is Biotin Boost by Hask. It's by Hask. Tri-level thickening complex, it says on the bottle. Thickening shampoo, biotin, collagen, and coffee, free of sulfates and parabens. So this is what I use. It's 12 fluid ounces, blah blah blah, and yeah, it's tri-level thickening, so it's meant to thicken your hair, and the biotin is good for your hair, as you know. So people take biotin vitamins and stuff like that. So I use that to wash my hair. Before I was experiencing a lot of hair loss, I was pretty much shampooing my hair just with like Head and Shoulders, the almond oil one, because it didn't leave my hair that stripped of everything. But I do use Head and Shoulders because I tend to have a dry scalp, and I noticed this doesn't really affect my dry scalp. Like, it doesn't make it worse. It doesn't help it either. But I just try to stay away like from like super close into my roots. But I would concentrate this, rub it around on the corners of my hairline where I was losing hair. And yeah, when I did that, I would actually use something. Don't laugh at me. This is one that I had got with something that I ordered for Lexi. So it's like really like childish, like literally for children. But it's pretty much like a silicone tipped, I don't know what they call it, but it's like to stimulate hair growth. When you're washing your hair, you scrub around with it with your shampoo, and it's supposed to like promote and activate hair growth and your scalp and all that. So you obviously don't have to get a ladybug one that came with like a bath set for Lexi, but that's what I use. And then for conditioner, it depends. I don't wash my hair more than twice a week. Why? Because of those two reasons, my hair loss and my dry scalp. So once a week I do a mask, and I do a mask with this, the SheMoisture Manuka honey and Mafura oil intense hydration hair mask. It tells you in the back how long to leave it for. And yeah, so the way I do it personally is I take a good amount of product of this while I'm in the shower. After shampooing my hair, I put it mostly from here down, and then the excess I rub into my scalp. And I don't like to do masks like jumping out of the shower and having it in your hair and then going back in and blah, 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 blah. That's like a lot of work. So I just pretty much put it up in a bun, like a wet bun, while I'm in the shower, let it chill for like 3 songs on my playlist, which is way more than like 6-7 minutes. So that's what I do. Then I rinse it off and I'm done, you know, instead of having to like go back in and out the shower. That's like a lot of work. So that's what I do. And in the beginning of my hair loss situation, I was doing this. This is Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor oil. Helps strengthen hair, replenishes, rejuvenates, nourishes, and natural ingredients. So I did do this in the beginning. I did it for about a month or more, just on the really, really bald areas, which was this. So let me show you guys. If you pull your hair, if you pull your hair back, if you pull my back, all this new growth that you see here, all these short hairs that you see here, all this is new growth. So literally I had like a zigzag on my hairline and it was all gone, and you can see it's fuller now. And then you can also see the hair growth here. Like these used to be baby hairs, and I knew I had, but I don't know, they started getting out of control. But yeah, so this is where I rubbed that on, is when my really, really bald spots, I was rubbing that on. But I just didn't like it because it weighed heavy on my hair, and even though I do have a dry scalp, I tend to get oily hair, which is very weird. So I didn't really like that, but I did it for a month or a month and a half just to actually like really, really promote the hair growth. So it helped, but I didn't stick to it till now, because now Lexi is 9 months. That happened when she was 3 months, so this is 7 months worth of product in my hair and like working on and stuff like that. So out of the 7-month journey, I only use that for the first month and a half. After that, what I do now for the rest of the time, I use this, which has been good to me for years and years and years, even with my dry scalp. It is Neautrogena Triple Moisture Silk Touch Leave-In Cream. Heat safe for all the conditioning, softness, and manageability. So I use this, and I do the same thing that I do with the mask in the shower, and I just leave this on my hair. So I rub it in mostly from here down all the way to like the tips of my hair. Excuse me. Do that, and then the excess left on my hands, I just rub it into my scalp and like my super bald spots, what used to be my bald spots. But this is not heavy on my hair. It does not make my hair oily. It doesn't leave like a sleek, annoying kind of feel the way that the castor oil did. So I just like this so much more. And then when I do, since it is heat safe, when I do anything to my hair heat wise, it feels so soft after. And you can't really do that with oil on your hair. You're not supposed to heat treat your hair after that. But when I am not using this that one time of the week that I'm masking my hair, I use this, which has also been so good to me for like, I think I've been using this for like 2 years, but it still helped me within my hair loss journey. So it is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. I use the balm. I had also purchased, it's literally the same exact name, but instead of balm, it's like treatment or something. I had used the one that comes in the squeezy tube, and I don't like that one. So this is the only one I get in the little empaquete like this, but it's the balm. This is what I use. Same thing as the mask. I just grab a bit and put it on my hair, but it's not a mask, so I just do it for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it completely out of my hair. That's that. So these are the 2 things I use to condition my hair. And then when I know I am for sure heat treating my hair, I think that makes sense. When I know I'm going to treat my hair with heat, I use this, which is Tresemme Expert Repair and Protect 7, also with Biotin. You see an ongoing theme here? I think you do. I think you do. System Visibility Repair 7 types of damage in one use. Pre-styling spray. So this is what I use. I spray this all over my hair, including my roots. I get the back of my hair. I get everything, because you don't want to damage your hair. And I'm going to go into damaging my hair. So when I first had Lexi, I wasn't doing my hair really often, but I would do my hair with a straightening iron, a flat iron, and I noticed that my hair was like kind of suffering every time I did that, so that was kind of a dub, and then I ended up doing nothing. So what I have switched to now is something I had seen a couple months ago, and I never really tried it, and then I did, and it changed everything, because it literally gives your hair like a blow dried look, like you went to the salon. You know, I love my hair. I'm gonna show you guys the back and the length before I finish the video so you can see the growth. But yeah, so what is it? I haven't even showed it to you. So it's this that I use to do my hair, which is the Revlon. Oh man, guys, I'll put the name at the bottom, but it's like the Revlon Volumizer hairstyling tool, something like that. The exact name will be below, I promise. But I think you guys have seen this just like I have on a couple people's channels. And yeah, like the rave about it was like, oh my god, it's so good, it leaves it so soft, and I was just like, I don't know. But then I got it, and the one I got in that color, I believe it was 60, and I got it like Amazon Prime, free shipping, all that stuff. But if you get like a different color, it's like 10 or 15 bucks more expensive. I really don't care about the colors, so I got the most affordable one. But yeah, that's about it. I do not use like a hair treatment. I don't use that as of now, but this is my hair. Let me just put it to the back for you guys. So these are the edges. As you see, all this annoying, like, you see this? All that is new growth, but it's very silky, you know? And the baby hair is bugging out. Like who can even do baby hairs this long? Like, at this point, these are mini bangs. That's not cute. That's not a look. But yeah, I can't cut them, because if you cut baby hairs, you just look even crazier. But that is my hair. This is my length. I never wear my hair to the front like this. I feel like it looks so weird. But this is it. Let me see if I can show you guys the back real quick. Trying to make sure I don't look crazy. Alright, let's see. Alright, guys. So this is the back of my hair. It is pretty full right now, which I am happy with. This is the length. Pretty long. I try. So yeah, that's that, guys. And that's all I use. Like I said, everything is affordable. Everything I have bought in Target. The Volumizer, I don't know if they have it in Target. I'm pretty sure I've seen it before. I don't want to be 1000% positive. But it is a Revlon styler. The exact name will be below. But none of this breaks the bank. None of this is even over... I don't think any of this is even over 15 bucks, if that. The most expensive thing I think is this. Or this. But I think it's like 11, 12 bucks max. So it's affordable. I'm not here telling you guys about like this $80 oil just like makes my hair grow every night. No. So this has worked for me. I hope it works for you guys. Let me know down below. You see, like, this isn't a look. No, but seriously, I'm just thankful it's growing back. I'm gonna just stay on here looking at my hair. Look. Alright, but at least you guys see the new growth. The new growth. But that is it. I did give you guys a clear face skincare routine done looking Angie, because I am going to relax for the night. Got out the shower, got my hair did my skincare. I was like, let me record this. Let me record this real quick. But yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. As always, everything will be tagged. Not tagged, everything will be down below. My Instagram is also there if you guys ever want to DM me any questions. I'm there way too often. But yeah. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Even though I'm awkward AF. but it's alright. Ooh, and I have a video. Hopefully, I like bought a download of Sephora stuff during their VIB sale. So hopefully that's gonna help with all this. You see this rosacea? Whatever. But I did buy a whole bunch of skincare, so hopefully you guys will see my rosacea journey too in my guide. But yeah, before I get anywhere awkward, thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Bye.